it's me, Geek. If you don't know, I just bought the camera Sony WX500. So the camera is this one, but I need some kind of case to protect this camera. So I ordered an case online from China. So let me take out the camera first. So here is the camera. I was just putting in a hard drive pouch, my Western Digital hard drive pouch, in which I use this one. So now I'm going to do the unboxing of the case of it. So here's the case. So now let's take out the leather case of it. It's not a genuine leather case. It's just a $10 leather case. The official Sony case is selling for like 99 bucks. I think more than 99 bucks. So now let me put the case on it. So the case is quite nice. Even they give a strap for it. So now let me put the camera inside the case. So after putting the camera in the case, it really look nice. I can really easily access all my port and then my micro SD card. So but even there's a tripod, a screw under it for hooking on the tripod. So now let me close it. So this case worked with the WX500 and then the HC90V. The WX500 is a cheaper version of it. So yeah, I will highly recommend it. The quality of case is really very good. Only for 10 bucks what you can expect. I really love it. So subscribe to my channel. It's me, Jimmy. Bye.